Alright, this is the second video for RMA 19-045, and on this setup, it's a self-contained setup where we have the firing board that was just tested and the CTR-CT board where all the feedback according to the load and the burden resistor, it's already set so that we have full control of the delay angle on the board. And what we're going to do here is we're going to monitor sig high, making sure that it goes from the 0 to, or the 0.85 to 5.85, basically covering the entire range. So let me, the unit is set for maximum current command, and when I power, the unit will ramp up. This is our AC input that will go immediately to 480, and the AC output will climb to the maximum. Alright, so we have 473, and the output has gotten there. We have the minimum delay angle out of the board, and we're going to measure sig high. And sig high, it's at a 5.5, but that's already enough to get the minimum delay angle. Let me hold it right there, Tony, in place. Alright, and you want to change the command. Now that we've talked to Richard, and we know that we shouldn't really concern much about the 100% of the output, or in this particular case the voltage, let's go to a fraction of that, and we can see that, you know, we can keep it at 300 volts and see if we can stay there steady. You can see that the output is fluctuating between 308, 300, and what we're going to do is we're going to leave it on, but we notice that right now the setting point, it's at 50%. And can we adjust the tripping threshold, Tony, so that we show that we're tripping? There you go. At that point, we got an overcurrent condition. So let's go ahead and clear it. Let's bring it to 100% just so that we get it out. Okay, now you've reset it, and now it came back again to the 300 because that's where the command is set at. So we're gonna keep it like this. We're gonna bring in a hit down. We're gonna bring in cold mist, and we're gonna try. Then we're probably gonna go to 250 and see. We're gonna bring in at 25%, 30%, and see if we can find anything. In the meantime, we're getting the SCRs installed in an AC controller, and we're gonna try to fire this in with a load of that will take 90, 100 amps. So this is the end of this video. Now at this point, Tony's gonna go ahead and replace the VR1 regulator out of the firing board, and we'll continue with the investigation.